It's Pride Month. It's Pride Month. Welcome, bitches. Today is Pride. LGBTQT. LGBTQT. White people when they sing in something that has the N word. All of my. All of my. All of my. Yes, it's Pride and shit, and I'm trying to. Yes, it's Pride and shit, and I'm trying to do a makeup look that. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I love doing colorful makeup. I love doing stuff that don't look like your regular makeup. I have a little bit of makeup on because I was actually outside. So for this makeup look, I'm gonna try to like block my eyebrows because I'm not in the mood to shave them. I'm gonna do some contact lenses and I'm gonna go back and reblock my eyebrows together. Oh hi, how y'all doing? I'm doing good. I did put my eye contacts on. And now I'm trying to like put some rubbing alcohol on my eyebrows. So like you make sure you remove all the oils so that when you put the glue on, it sticks. What is this? I think they like dry a little bit. I'm gonna use some powder. I'm gonna use this one. It did not actually go well, but it's okay. I'm gonna next use this foundation. It's like a white foundation. We're doing white face. I have white powder set separately, so I'm gonna just like blend and set with the powder right away. My arm got tired. So I have these two palettes. I have this one, and I have this one. Next we're gonna do green. I thought I was filming, but I wasn't. I just put some green back on. I'm gonna try this. I have this. I have these glitters. I have this eyeliner here. I think this is about as good as it will get. Next we have another hard part, which is eyelashes. I think I'm gonna use these. I'm so sorry. The eyeliner part is so icky. It was icky. It's been icky. I cannot get over how bad the eyeliner looks and how bad the whole like doing it process was. Okay, so I put the lashes off camera. I wanna do bottom lashes as well. I think I'm gonna do the bottom lashes off camera too. I'm grabbing this brush. I cannot see for shit. So like if this is not looking good, I'm still gonna post it, but I'm not really seeing what's happening. La 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 Mona Lisa. Bitch. You must be joking.
See someone that you know and they ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
This is what I have to offer. This is all we get in for today. A roller coaster of emotions is what this video was actually. We did zero talking, a lot of working, and a lot of thinking. I almost lost it for a moment there. I almost lost it, but then I was like, let's just trust the process, you know? We gotta trust the process and see how things will go. With it just that, and here we are. Thank you for watching. I had so much fun doing this. It was a little bit stressful, but I had fun doing it, and I'm so proud of it right now. See you on the next one.